Ever wonder what's underneath all those covers in your Tesla Model Y or 3? So here's the Frunk. You have your 12-volt battery. Should last you 2 to 3 years until they change that to lithium. Windshield fluid, steering wheel fluid, battery coolant fluid. Still good amount there. AC heater unit. Front motor would be sitting right there underneath. Inlet air from the outside to your cabin. So you turn off your recirculation. That's where the air will come from. Front latch. Parking sensor. There should be one right there and one over here. You have your airbag sensor down there as well in case of a frontal collision. Here's the steel bar from both sides for front impact. Here's the stabilized beam. Right here and right here, connecting the two sides together. That's it, really nothing else to see. You do have that high voltage cable for emergency personnel to cut off in a collision to shut off the power to the main battery pack. And yeah, remember to subscribe.